What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and it is amazing to be back in front of the camera. I've missed you guys, and it's not so nice outside today, but we're gonna go get this car washed, and I just want to bring you up to speed on a little bit of what's going on, where I've been, and what's coming in the future. And I have a little car spotting video that I shot a few clips for the other day that I'll throw after this. So we're gonna hop in the Mercedes E53 AMG and go get a wash real quick. And in we go. Oh my god, she was super close to the seat. But loads of carbon fiber, and she comes to life. There we go. This is gonna be so nice when it's all clean. But geez, look at this interior. This is so sweet. Alright, let's get on the road and I'll catch you guys up with what's going on in my life and where I've been for the past week. Alright, the first new thing going on is, well, my brother bought a truck. There it is right there. I guess in this whole like content drought, we gotta be filming something, so I might just say screw it and do a review on the truck. I might do a review on the E53 AMG, and I don't know if you guys have any other stuff I can do from like not even really leaving my house. Please let me know in the comment section below, because I hate not posting. I feel like YouTube hates when you don't post, so I mean, it's really a lose-lose having to stay inside and wait this whole sickness out. But I have got some exciting things coming in the future for you guys. Alright, so the first big thing is that I officially have ordered the PANDEM wide body kit for the FRS. PANDEM said it should be here in 4 to 6 weeks, and that was probably almost a week ago now. So it should be here in around a month's time, and hopefully all this clears up in around a month's time so we can get that going. But even if it doesn't, the shop that I'm working with, H-Tex Customs, said they're gonna do it either way. So that is gonna go in for the build. Sick wrap. My wheels should be done any day now. And for those of you that don't know, I did order wheels, so everyone's saying wide body and wheels, get that before you do anything. Of course, it's all been a plan. The project car is almost done, and I'm guessing it's gonna be around mid-May, maybe early June. We're gonna have everything ready to go, send it in, get it installed, wrapped, and maybe bagged. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough money for that, but if this $1,200 check comes from Daddy Trump, then I'll probably definitely bag it. Other than that, really nothing's been going on. I've been playing a lot of Modern Warfare, Warzone, man, killing it. And I may start streaming on Twitch on a different account. I've tried that in the past, it didn't really work out, but if you guys want to see me play some Modern Warfare, I'm on pretty much all day, every day. We'll see. And I want to know how you guys are also doing, if this quarantine has affected you guys in any way, shape, or form, negatively or positively, and how you guys are liking online school if you're in it. I personally really would rather go to class in the morning than have to remember what I gotta do and when to do. But that's just how it's gonna be this year. Hopefully they'll be a little bit lenient, and all the essential personnel working, providing for everyone, thank you very much. If you work in a grocery store, you're a real OG, because I know that is not what you signed up for, having all these crazy people coming in your grocery store. But as I said, this was just a little up-to-date, little talking to you guys section before the actual video. So I do have a little car spotting video before we met 50 Cent. And yeah, I'll roll that back right now. Hope you guys enjoy, hope you guys are doing good. And if you guys need anything, make sure to just DM me on Instagram. Enjoy the video. What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and it is your boy. And we're here with Mr. Mike Booth, the big truck driver himself. It is the beginning of Texas 2K. This is the biggest week of the year for us. Super excited. All the sends will be coming to the channel. But before we do, we're going to the meet tonight. We're gonna do a little bit of car spotting because we're down in the beautiful Galleria area. And guess what we just met? 50 Cent. I'll put the picture up on the screen right now. We met the boy 50 Cent, and you know he couldn't pass up an opportunity to get a picture with Sinclair Photos. So we snapped a quick pic and we left real quick, and then now we're gonna go to the car spot for a little bit and then go to the meet.
And he gave us a signed bottle too.
Yeah, we got a signed bottle. Where is it?
It's in the back seat. We'll show
We'll show you a little bit. But car spotting, then craziness. Let's go. It's a Panamera wagon. Let him go. I've not seen one of those yet. That's crazy. I'm a wagon fan myself. Look how long that is. Whoa. Like a gold wrapped Mercedes. That is wicked. That is nuts. Would you do that to your Mercedes Benz? And to end off our little spree, we got a Mansory looking Panamera. I'm pretty sure it's Mansory because that's like the only body kit I know for these things, but that is interesting looking. Let's see if it says anything on the back. Nah, it doesn't, but geez, look at that exhaust. That is crazy. Got a couple more cars. Got a F12, an i8, an orange Huracan Evo Spider, and the Big Daddy Bugatti Chiron. Nice.
Owned by Tillman Fertitta.
That is sick. I think that may be the end of our car spotting endeavors unless there's something right over there. We got a freaking AMG GTR Pro parked up in the valet out here with Speed Houston and his shoes. There's some good shoes right there, but yeah. Oh, I got it. That's so crazy. Got all the little carbon options, got a different wing, got the racing R. This is the move, guys. If you can grab one of these, that is so nice. All right, now we're talking. Got an Aventador with some sort of front lip body kit going on. I like that a lot. Dang, that is sick. I don't know the exact color name, but it's the darker orange. And of course it's got the carbon fiber wing. That is so nice. Woo-wee. All right, next we got a Maybach. Oh yeah. Ooh. With the deep dish wheels. Don't know about those, but I mean, Maybach's a Maybach. And we got a couple more cars here. We got a Rolly that don't tick-tock. We got the Dawn. We got a 488 down there and another AMG GTS right there.